And now, San Diego Connect.
Hi, I'm Bill Griffith. Recently on San Diego Connect, we introduced you to Approved Home Pros, the local company which helps you find the best improvement and repair specialists for your job. Well, today we're learning more about one of those Approved Home Pros, Mauzy Heating, Air, and Solar with Cody Mauzy. Cody, your company has received the highest possible recommendation from Approved Home Pros. You must be doing something right.
Yeah, we try. We were born and raised in San Diego, three-generation company, started in 1969, been taking care of homeowners since here locally, and just treating people right has served us well.
Yeah, and I love that. And one of the things you do with the customers is you have one technician working with one customer all the way through.
Yeah, we marry the homeowner to our technician, and that way the technician is not only familiar with the home, the homeowner is familiar with our technician.
That is a great idea. Now, with the weather we've been seeing, I bet you're getting a lot of calls for heater repairs, aren't you?
Yeah, we are. People tend to procrastinate, just what we do, and now that it's cold and people want to rely on that furnace, we are going out and taking care of some issues.
And I know a lot of folks have older furnaces or they're inefficient, they're high energy costs. At what point do you say, I'm tired of repairing this thing, I need to replace it now?
Yeah, there gets to be a point where you're going to put too much money into an old system and still kind of run into issues, and it starts looking like you should get a new system. The new systems just have much more options.
What are some of the things the new systems can do?
They've got variable speed operation, which can control the humidity in the home, the temperature in the home to precise temperatures, really take care of the home.
And that saves a lot of money for the homeowner too.
It does. You'll notice a dramatic savings in SDG&E costs.
Yeah, so it's more efficient all the way down the line. It's safer all the ways too. Because I know if you're working with a faulty heater, you can get some health problems.
Yeah, typically carbon monoxide poisoning is the most common issue on older systems.
Yeah,
it
really can be very dangerous. It's a kind of a silent killer. But you at Mauzy also have different ways of financing these situations.
Yeah, we've got multiple programs like the Hero program, which is no money down, no out-of-pocket costs, and a bunch of other great financing options.
I love that. Yeah. Mauzy Heating, Air, and Solar. You guys have been in business, as you say, since the 60s with the third generation. I love it. Cody, thanks so much. And don't forget, Mauzy gives you a 10% discount up to $500 just for mentioning Approved Home Pros. So get in touch with Mauzy Heating, Air, and Solar by calling 619-320-6080 or by going to ApprovedHomePros.com/Mauzy.